Hello, I'm Christopher from Learnry, and in this video we are going to learn about the different data types you can use in Python. So by the end of this video you will know everything about data types in the Python programming language. Now let's start off with what a data type is. So data types refer to the classification of data items. Data types also represent a kind of value which determines the kind of operations that can be performed on a specific kind of data. So numeric, non-numeric, and Boolean data are the most frequently used data types in the Python programming language. So Python has the following standard or built-in data types. A numeric data type is any representation of data which has a numeric value. In Python, there are three types of numbers. An integer is a positive or a negative whole number that has no fractional part. A float is any positive or negative real number with a fractional or a decimal part. A complex number is a number with a real and an imaginary part represented as x plus yj. Now let's talk about Boolean data types. So a Boolean data type is any piece of data that has the value of true or false. Now when writing Boolean data types in Python, they must start with a capital letter. A sequence is an ordered collection of similar or different data types. The Python programming language has the following built-in sequence data types. A string is a collection of one or more characters put in single, double, or triple quotes. A list is an ordered collection of one or more data items of the same or different kinds put in square brackets. A set is an unordered collection of unique items. Now, a set is defined by values separated by commas and enclosed in curly brackets. A tuple is an ordered collection of one or more data items of the same or different kinds put in parentheses. A dictionary is an unordered collection of data arranged in a key value pair form and enclosed in curly brackets. So now let's talk about mutable and immutable objects. So data objects of data types are usually stored in a computer's memory for processing. Some of the values in the memory can be modified during processing, but the contents of others can't be altered once they are created in memory. So number values, strings, and tuples are immutable, and what it means is that their content cannot be changed after they have been created and stored in memory. On the other hand, a collection of items in a list or dictionary object can be modified. It is possible to add, delete, insert, and rearrange items in a list or dictionary. Hence, they are mutable objects. So the question of the day is, what data type is 23.07? Leave your answer in the comment section below. Okay, so if you are new to this channel and found this video helpful, then click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below so that you'll be notified when new videos are uploaded. Bye for now, and I will see you in the next lesson.